My name is Jamaica. I'm a massage therapist. I got blind 10 years ago from a wrong medication when I was 22, but I didn't lay down and play dead. I look at it as a stepping stone for me. I always wanted to own my own business, and now I got somewhere for myself, and the name of it is Sight and Vision Gifted Hands. And my vision is to employ all blind persons doing body massages. Because we lost one sense, the other senses becomes heightened. So the sense of touch, emotion, direction, of feeling the client's body to know what is wrong from what is right, or if the body is well aligned or if the body is well balanced. We can feel that. As blind persons, we still face challenges because, you know, persons would say, oh, can a blind person massage? Supposed to touch the wrong place. You should stay at home because you're blind. I want to show Jamaicans that as a disabled person, I can reach higher heights. I can own my own business. I would encourage others out there that are blind and have other disability to move forward. Try to achieve anything that you want in life, because I believe in I can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth us. I have a daughter, and I try to encourage her that it doesn't matter how much CXCs you want to have or how much degrees, getting a skill is essential. I remember one lady, I was sitting in a car and she came up to me and she was begging me $100, and I said to her, I am blind, but I can give you $100 to buy a bag juice, and that you can sell it and make profit and buy another bag. And she walked away. I am just showing her that I am blind and I'm going to work. So I was just encouraging her to be an entrepreneur. Persons out there that have your eyes, hands, feet, everything intact, you should consider getting a skill. If you are not educated, you can go to heart and you can allow yourself to excel more than being on the road begging. That looked bad on my side.
A ray of hope